Hey, this JD and FIA. I'm going to give you these tritones you can use in the key of F sharp. All right, very simple. All right, so you're going to use these when you're going to the 6th chord. All right, so think 3, 6, 2, 5 progression. All right, F sharp scale. F sharp is 1, G sharp is 2, A sharp is 3, B is 4. C sharp is 5, D sharp is 6, 7 is E sharp, and then F sharp. All right, I would call this B, and I would probably call F instead of E sharp here. All right, so looking at this progression, anytime we're looking at a 3 to the 6 to a 2 and then a 5, we can think tritone substitutions to throw it in there. So these tritones. All right. Without going too detail, I'm just going to give you these chords. Maybe I can do a detailed video later explaining, where these chords come from and the theory behind the chords. All right, but to give it to you real quickly, before I go to my 6th chord, all right, my D sharp minor. All right, I'm playing a tritone here, D and G sharp. All right, and I'm playing a 1 chord on my right hand, second inversion. So I have C sharp, F sharp, and A sharp. All right, tritone, the 1 chord. All right, I'm in the key. So whatever key I'm in, I'm going to the sharp 5 of the scale. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Sharp 5, playing my tritone, and then I'm playing on 1 chord. All right. Then I'm going to go to the 6 on my left hand, D sharp and A sharp. Right hand, I'm playing a 5 chord, C sharp major chord, and I'm adding the 9. So I have C sharp, D sharp, F, and G sharp. All right, with D sharp and A sharp in my right hand. All right, and then to continue that, I can just do that to get to the 6. But usually you go 3, 6, and then you go to the 2. So I can extend these tritones by doing that. I'm doing the same move. All right. So a couple of things I want you to notice is I'm a half step below the target chord. When I was here, I'm going to the E flat. That's my or the D sharp chord. So I'm a half step below it. All right. All right, same thing. When I'm getting ready to go to the G sharp, all right, I'm going to go a half step below it to play my tritone. That's how you can get to it quickly. All right. The right hand, I'm playing a 4 chord, a B major chord, F sharp, B, and D sharp there. Left hand, I'm playing G and C sharp, tritone. All right. Then I'm going to a G sharp. Confuse me calling it sharps instead of flats. I usually do flats, but we got G sharp and D sharp, and then the right hand F sharp. We're playing a 1 chord, F sharp, G sharp, A sharp, and C sharp. So the move. 5 chord. Of course, we play 5 in the left hand, 4 chord in the right hand. So I have C sharp and G sharp. In the left hand, right hand, I'm playing B, C sharp, D sharp, F sharp. G sharp left hand for the 2-5. G sharp in the left hand, right hand I'm playing F sharp, C, and F sharp. All All right, for the 5 chord, C sharp in my left hand, right hand F, B, and F, or E sharp, B, and E sharp. All right, so F sharp, C sharp, left hand, right hand F, G sharp, A sharp, C sharp. So the point of the video is tritones. Another thing you can do your sharp 5 to your 6, and then you're gonna walk down. All right, you're still gonna play the 4 chord in your right hand. You're just gonna play it in a different inversion. So I'm playing D sharp, F sharp, G sharp, and B. All right, and I'm walking down. A sharp, A. I'm sorry. Yeah, A sharp, A. G sharp, G, over the 4 chord in my right hand, B major. And that takes you to your 2 chord, G sharp in the left hand, right hand, C sharp, F sharp, and A sharp. So watch that again, slow. So you got so both of them together. I do it slow. When I'm playing that chord, I'm coming off that A sharp to hit that A, or hit that B. So alright, so yeah. So you got 3, 6 to the 2, 5, 1. If you would like this video in other keys, just let me know in the comments, and I'll see about posting one for other keys as well. Thanks.